Camau, Sylfaen, Uned 25. Fideo 3, fersiwn y gogledd. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod o. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi. As we've learnt, we can discuss a plant, the children, using dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw, which means I think that they are. Enghraifft, dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n dawel. I think that they're quiet. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n swnllyd. I think that they're noisy. We can also use bod to refer to one child. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod o'n ddoniol. I think that he's funny. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod o'n hapus. I think that he's happy. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi'n swnllyd. I think that she's noisy. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi'n dawel. I think that she's quiet. So, as we've seen, there are different board patterns depending on who we're referring to. And with some of these patterns, board mutates. Let's take a look at more board patterns. Dwi'n meddwl fy mod I. I think that I am. Treiglad trwynol. Dwi'n meddwl dy fod di. I think that you are. Treiglad meddal. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod o. I think that he is. Treiglad meddal. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi. I think that she is. Dim treiglad. Dwi'n meddwl ein bod ni. I think that we are. Dim treiglad. Dwi'n meddwl eich bod chi. I think that you are. Dim treiglad. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw. I think that they are. Dim treiglad. Gadewch i ni ymarfer. Let's practice further sentences you might use in the play setting. Gwrandewch yn ofalus ac ailadroddwch. Lle mae Elis? Dwi'n meddwl ei fod o ar wyliau. I think that he is on holiday. Lle mae Mr Thomas? Dwi'n meddwl ei fod o yn y neuadd. I think that he's in the hall. Lle mae Sally? Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi yn y siop. I think that she's in the shop. Lle mae Gwenlli? Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi yn y llyfrgell. I think that she's in the library. Arbennig. Rwan, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned. A chofiwch eich bod chi'n medru gwylio'r fideo hwn eto I adolygu. Now complete the activities in the unit and remember that you can watch this video again to revise if you need to. Pob lwc!